So if you look at example 4, so we basically ask the same question. We want to get x by itself, but we have a little square root right here that's dangling and affecting our work. So it would be nice that we can get rid of the square root. And to do that, you will square both sides. And please make sure that you use parentheses. If you don't use parentheses, I have no idea what you're doing. Because that is how you show the world that you're squaring each side on both sides. So on the left, it's just x squared plus 4. Square root's gone. On the right, you will have x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now, this is the reason why I had the earlier review questions, because if you don't know how to do those, you will stumble right here. And it doesn't matter how hard you study, you are going to fail this part because you cannot find out what x plus 2 parentheses square is. And if you try to simplify this, you look at x squared, and there are x squared on each side. There's x squared on each side, so you can cancel that out. And you have plus 4 on each side. That means you can subtract 4 on both sides, and that would be gone. So on the right-hand side, all is left is 4x. What is left on the left? 0. So what's the x value? 0. Now, by the way, when you have 0 equals to 4x, x is equal to 0, it is not no solution. Okay, it's not no solution. Okay, 4 times something equal to 0, that means that something must be 0. Okay, and you put it back in there to check. All right. All right, so you have a square root of 4, which is 2. And on the right-hand side, you put 0 there. You have 2, so 2 is equal to 2. So this one is good. It's a solution. Okay. And now, can you go ahead and try this one yourself? All right, so you will first remove the square root by squaring both sides. So you have x squared minus 5 on the left, and then you have x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, again, if you don't know how this is happening, make sure you come to me and schedule a time. I can explain this to you, but you have to come to me. And then x squared will be gone because that's x squared on both sides. Okay, and then we have 10x plus 25. It's equal to negative 5. So you can subtract 25 from both sides. So you got negative 30. So 10 times x is equal to negative 30, meaning that x must equal to negative 3. You put negative 3 back into the x and double check. And you'll find out that you have 9 minus 5, which is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And then on the right, you have minus 3 plus 5, and that would also be 2. Okay, so if you put negative 3 back into the x, you have a true statement. So that's good. Okay, so just a little bit more challenging because you have to do the FOIL thing. Make sure that you expand it properly. Okay, if you don't, make sure you do it well.